Teen Services Coordinator here at MPL, and welcome to another virtual cookie walk video. Today we'll be making iced vegan oatmeal cookies. To get us started, we're going to make the flax egg mix. This is a egg substitute for vegan recipes using ground flaxseed. So we'll take 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and mix it with 2.5 tablespoons of water. And then we're going to set that aside to thicken. Next, we're going to add our 1 cup of oats to our food processor or blender and pulse it about 6 to 8 times until you get some oat flour and chopped oats. See there, we've got some oat flour mixed with our chopped oats. We're going to add those processed oats into a medium-sized bowl along with the rest of our dry ingredients. So that's 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to mix these to combine. Once that's combined, we're going to set it aside. In a large bowl, we want to combine half a cup of vegan butter. This one's probably a little too soft, but you do want it soft. 1/3 cup of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of molasses, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And we're going to use our hand mixer to mix that all up until it's smooth and creamy. We're going to also now mix in the flax egg as well. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients and mix them with a large spoon just until they're combined. The dough should be wet and pretty sticky. Now we're going to cover the bowl and chill in the fridge for half an hour. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease or line your cookie tray with parchment paper. Once you take your batter out of the fridge and you've greased your cookie sheet, place heaping tablespoons of dough about 2 to 3 inches apart from each other. And press down slightly with your hands. If your dough is sticky, you can wet your hands first. And bake them in the oven for about 11 to 13 minutes until they're golden brown. So they should be golden brown and they'll still look a little underdone in the middle. So you want to let the cookies cool completely before you ice them. For the icing for our cookies, you want to mix together 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of non-dairy milk. Use a fork to whisk these together to combine. It's okay to test it. Once your cookies have cooled completely, it's time to ice them. To do this, you have your already prepared icing and you want to take your cookies and just lightly dip them in the icing. The icing will take about an hour to set, and the cookies after that can be stacked on top of one another. These cookies are great and will keep for about 2 to 3 days at room temperature, or you can keep them in the fridge for up to a week. You can even freeze them. That's it for this virtual cookie walk video for iced vegan oatmeal cookies. Be sure to watch our other virtual cookie walk videos for more great holiday cookie recipes. Be sure to check out our video with Standout on December the 23rd when he does a special taste test of all our MPL virtual cookie walk cookies. From everyone here at MPL, happy holidays!